Ganda ng driver namin, oh. O, diba pa? Eh, saan tayo pupunta?
Garden Farm.
Garden Farm, maulan, pero tinuloy pa rin ng mga first one.
Day 4!
Day 4. O, Garden Farm, ready na ba kasi 200 steps? Paakyat?
Let's go!
We're now at
Garden Farm!
Okay, I will go up alone because yung aking mga kaibigan ay nag-decide to do to ride the cart. It's 200 steps going upstairs. Feeling ko kaya naman. Let's do this for the pilgrimage. I think I'm on my 20th step. Kaya naman siguro. There are only 200 steps. We're almost there. Okay, along the way, dun sa stairs, makikita niyo mo yung nativity. Okay? Where Jesus was born and Bethlehem. Ayan. So that's the nativity. Almost there. Malapit na. Muna. Makikita mo naman ang baptism of Christ at the Jordan River. Okay, hindi ko lang kabisa. We're at the triumphant entry of Jesus Christ to Jerusalem. And this is Jerusalem. I think malapit na ako. My friends are waving. The Last Supper. Agon in the garden. Yung mga kaibigan ko na doon na sila. Ilang steps na guys. How many steps left? I'm here. I did it.